Welcome students. This is first module of chapter number 12, perimeter and area. In this module, we will learn about perimeter. We'll solve problem set 48. Also we'll learn formula for perimeter of rectangle and square, and we'll solve some examples based on it from problem set 49. You have already studied about perimeter in your previous standards. Let us revise once what is meant by perimeter. Perimeter can be defined as the sum of the length of all the sides of a figure. Perimeter can be also defined as the distance. It is the distance around an object. Let us solve problem set 48. Question number 1. Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below it. Here is the given figure and we have to find out perimeter of this figure. We know that perimeter of a figure is equal to sum of the length of all the sides of that figure. Here the length of all the sides of the given figure are 7 cm, 16 cm, 20 cm and 14 cm. So let us add all the lengths of this figure to get its perimeter. So we write perimeter of given figure is equal to 7 cm plus 16 cm plus 20 cm plus 14 cm. So after adding the lengths of all the sides of the given figure, we get the perimeter of given figure is 57 cm. Let us find out the perimeter of the given figure B. We know that perimeter is equal to sum of the length of all the sides of the given figure. Here, the length of the sides of these figures are 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So, let us add the length of all the sides of this figure to get its perimeter. So we write perimeter of given figure is equal to 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So after adding length of all the sides of the given figure, we get the perimeter of given figure is 48 centimeter. Let us find out the perimeter of given figure C. We know that perimeter of a given figure is equal to sum of the length of all the sides of that figure. Here we have the length of the sides of this given figure are 8 meter, 18 meter, 12 meters, 18 meters and 8 meters. So let us add length of all the sides of this figure to get its perimeter. So we write perimeter of given figure is equal to 8 meter plus 8 meter plus 18 meter plus 12 meter plus 18 meter. After adding the length of all the sides of this given figure, we get the perimeter of given figure is equal to 64 meters. Next question is, if a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter, what will be the perimeter of the remaining shape? So here we have a larger square with side 3 centimeter. If a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of this square, we get a shape which is shown in figure B. So, the length of the sides of this figure are 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So, let us find out the perimeter of this remaining shape. We have the formula of perimeter is equal to sum of the length of all the sides of the given figure. So let us add the length of all the sides of this figure to get its perimeter. So we write perimeter of remaining shape is equal to 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Hence we get the perimeter of remaining shape is equal to 12 centimeter. Let us learn the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. We know that perimeter of any figure is equal to the sum of length of its all the sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, so we write perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. We know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are of same length. So we write the perimeter of rectangle as twice the length plus twice the breadth. So here we get the formula for perimeter of a rectangle as 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Let us learn the formula to find out perimeter of a square. We know that a square has four sides and the length of all the sides of a square are equal. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length of one of its sides. Hence, we write the formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into the length of one side. Let us solve problem set 49. First question, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? Now, here we have to make a rectangle of length 7 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter. So to know the wire needed to make such a rectangle, we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. And we have the formula, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So let us put the value of length and the breadth in the formula to get the perimeter. So we write perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into 7 plus 2 into 4, which is equal to 14 plus 8, which is equal to 22 centimeter. Hence we say 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make the required rectangle. Next question is, if the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? So here we have a rectangle and the length of this rectangle is 20 meter. Breadth of this rectangle is 12 meter. And we have the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So let us put the value of length and the breadth in the formula to get the perimeter. So we write perimeter of given rectangle is equal to 2 into 20 plus 2 into 12, which is equal to 40 plus 24, which is equal to 64 meter. Hence we write perimeter of the given rectangle is 64 meters. Next question is, each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. So here we have a square and each side of this square is of 9 centimeter long. So let us find out its perimeter. We have the formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Here we have length of a side is 9 meter. So we write perimeter of given square is equal to 4 into 9, which is equal to 36 meter. Hence, perimeter of given square is 36 meter. Next question is, if we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160-meter long and 90-meter wide, what is the distance we walked in kilometers? Now here, the field is of 160-meter long and 90-meter wide. Means we say the field is rectangular shape and we have to find out the distance walked in 4 rounds. So first, let us find out the distance walked in one round. And for that, we need to find out the perimeter of this rectangular field. And we have the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So let us put the value of length and breadth in the formula. So we get 2 into 160 plus 2 into 90, which is equal to 320 plus 180, which is equal to 500 meters. So this we get the distance walked in one round. Now to find out the distance walked in 4 rounds, let us multiply this distance walked in one round by 4. Hence, we get the distance walked in 4 rounds is equal to 500 into 4, which is equal to 2000 meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Hence, we say 2000 meters is equal to 2 kilometers. And hence we get the answer as the distance walked in 4 rounds is 2 kilometers. Thank you.